In today's video, I'll teach you how to add end screen on YouTube video. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in studio.youtube.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the YouTube Studio. Instead of that, you can also open the YouTube Studio application if you want. Now initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you'll be able to find various options over here. Initially dashboard option will be selected. Right under it you'll be able to find the option for content. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the content interface. You'll be able to see all the channel content over here. So what you have to do is hover over the video in which you want to add the end screen. Right over here you'll be able to find the edit icon. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to edit the videos. Right over here you'll be able to find the options like details, analytics, editor, comments, etc. Click on this option, editor. Now video editor will be opened up. You'll be able to find several options in edit over here. You'll be able to find the options like trim and cut, blur, audio, etc. At fourth, you'll be able to find the option for end screen. What you have to do is click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the options for apply template, video, playlist, subscribe, channel. You can click on the option of your choice. Here, I'm just going to click on this option, subscribe. Now once you do that, you can see over here the subscribe element will be added. You can choose if you want to show the hover card outline or not. If you do not want to show it, uncheck this option. If you want to show it, check this option. Now after you do that, this particular end screen will be added. Now you can go to the end of the video. Now in the end of the video, you can see over here subscribe element has been added. Now you can add more element if you want. For that, you can simply click on this option element. Now you'll be able to add more element. You can simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option playlist because at the end of the video, at least one element must be a video or playlist. So I'm just going to click on the option playlist. Now you can add the playlist if you want. Simply click on the search icon. Now over here, what you have to do is simply search for the playlist. Now you'll be able to see the playlist over here. Simply click on the playlist of your choice. Now after you do that, that particular playlist will be added. Now you can see over here 2 elements has been added to the end of the video. You can also add more elements if you want. Now after you're done adding the elements, what you can do is click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the end screen will be added to your video. So that is how you add end screen on your YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.